Honestly, like, I have no shame. Hi, my name is Ali and I am an artist, a makeup artist also. And if you are here watching my video, first of all, thank you so much. Second of all, I'm really awkward. Third of all, I fangirl a lot. Fourth of all, please remember to be kind and also to love yourself. And if I have made you smile at all at any point in this video, then my job here is done. Have a fantastic day. Did I say that weird? Yeah, probably. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and comment, and you can follow me and all my other fancy stuff. Okay, I'm done. Hot Mess Express. Hi guys. Oh god. Okay, excuse the look of exhaustion in my face. It's been a rough carnival season. I've let the stress get the best of me, but anyway, I am going to paint to de-stress because that's what I do, even though it's a little bit more work, but it does help me de-stress. So I figured, you know, I have all these makeup artists on my feed right now doing, I mean, and myself included, doing carnival looks. You know, carnival is coming up, so you have a lot of glitter, gems, beautiful eyeshadow work going on. But me being me, I wanted to do something different. So I was actually talking to my mom about it. Hi mom. And she came up with, why don't you do Venice Carnival? So, okay, no, that's not. Yeah, so why don't you do Venice Carnival? So which I've always loved the artistry behind it. I mean, the costumes and everything. So I decided I'm going to paint myself as one of the very intricate masks that I used in Venice Carnival, just to switch it up a bit. You know, you're gonna be seeing glitter and gems everywhere, so I figured I'll give you something different and also beautiful, another part of, and that it's a part of carnival somewhere else in the world. I'm gonna put on Friends for the 10th millionth time on Netflix as background. I'm just going to start with, I'm so tired, it's not even funny. I feel like I'm just gonna do a time lapse. I'm gonna start with some rose, wait, check that out, like, okay, never mind, sorry. Rose water by Mario. No eyebrows in this mask, so it has to look as flat as possible. So first I dry off my eyebrows and that area with rubbing alcohol. I just spray some on a cotton pad and it just takes out all the grease from the area, so the glue will adhere easily or better. Washable school glue from Elmer's. This one turns, yeah, this one is the purple one, but once it says washable, you're safe. So I like to go, the first time I'm applying it, I like to go against the hairs so that the glue really gets in there. So that it stays smooth, I also grab some water and just pat it. And I also try to clean off the glue around the hair, because then that will give you away when you start applying paint or powder or anything like that to it. So now I'm just going to use some of the RCMA setting powder to set the brows. Press it. Honestly, like, I have no shame. So now, lots and lots of layers of the Maroon Paradise AQ white water activated paints that look like this. Just feel that it's gonna be cool and I can't do anything about it and I'm like antsy. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh! Extremely smart. Oh shit, the eyes. What was I supposed to do for the eyes? Shut up. Oh. Crap, it's drying. Ah. There's something about outlining in black that has got to be the most satisfying thing in the world. It's just amazing. Can you tell I used to color inside the lines always in the coloring books? Grab some black eyeshadow to set it. Before setting it with powder, I'm gonna use the Makeup Forever Flash palette, the white in it. And wait a second. Right, so I'm gonna use the white to get rid of some of the spots where the white paint didn't really settle into my skin well, because I have hot spots, so it can be very patchy in some areas. So the cream paint blends really well on top of the water activated paints, and it just helps to patch up and even out white. White is very tricky when you want a pure white base, and it's a mask we're doing, so it really should be as flat and as perfect as possible. And even though on camera you might not be seeing so much of the hot spots in person, and by the time I take a picture with the camera you'll be able to see it for sure. Now I'm going to grab a wedge sponge and some of that same RCMA setting powder and apply very generously all throughout the face. Actually, also the Urban Decay Electric palette. I'm going to start with Thrash, which is this kind of lime greeny over here. I have this brush from Real Techniques. They call it a deluxe crease brush. It's very fluffy, very thick. Something I can push the pigment in. I don't wanna do this too much because it might move the white. So I'm just gonna go around all the black with this. So the Dare to Create palette has this beautiful shade called Snatched, appropriate for this red, what am I doing, this red color right there. No, this is confusing. Which way am I going? Which way am I going? The mirror is throwing me off. Ah! This is my life. My brain is not functioning. That actually took a lot more effort than it looks like. So this is Kat Von D's liquid lipstick in Bachelorette. Okay, I think I'm gonna attach some gems to kind of liven it up a little bit and see what happens. Okay, so I just stuck the gems off camera, but I'm gonna try to wrap this thing now. This is the concept. I'm not that happy with it, but considering what it is, oh, bad idea. Obviously, if you were going out at all with any of this kind of makeup, you would have a costume, but for the purposes of this video, this is my costume today. This lip looks so well, it's not even funny. I feel like I'm extremely out of focus. I mean, this is more like a self-creation today. I am not meant to look like anyone per se, but I just wanted to artistically do something different. And again, something carnival related, but not Trinidad Carnival, so I decided to go with Venice Carnival mask inspired look. There you go. hope you learned something, or that it was at least entertaining for you to watch somehow. I didn't talk that much because I was just so focusing on the lines and stuff, but yeah, I like this kind of thing. I love it. The gems definitely give it a little bit of life. Can't show my hand. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.